in the car. Getting ready to go to the airport.
Aeroport day. Yay!
I just poloed with Hani a little bit ago. He's on his plane, and he's headed. And Kimberly saw Bob and Sarah.
Yep. Down
in the lobby. They're headed to the
airport day.
They're headed to LAX. Thank God we're not going there.
Yeah.
So we'll check in when we get back to the airport. Back to the airport. Well, just when we get to the airport, because we've never been there, so we couldn't really go back.
No.
It's early.
There it is.
We've arrived at the airport.
Airport day.
And parked.
Easy.
And now we're in the parking garage. It's very exciting stuff being in the parking garage. So now we're leaving to go to the terminal.
Yes, we are. With a bunch of crap.
With a bunch of stuff.
You ready, Grace?
So that was easy. We just checked in, dropped our bags, and we're on the way to the gates. Oh, that was easy, huh?
Yeah.
Super simple. I don't even know what time it is. You know what time it is?
I don't know.
It's not even 8 o'clock yet. So yeah, now we're gonna go through security, and we gotta go through this way, right here.
Oh, that's TSA pre-check.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go through security. So we'll see you on the other side. We're through security.
Oh,
We made it through security. I had to run my camera equipment twice.
wow. You got a lot of
So
stuff in there.
like 2 bags of camera stuff. So Kelly's putting her shoes on. There she is.
Here I am.
There she is. Oh, there's her shoes. So we just found out that they are not going to be able to clear us before we go to Maui with our QR code, which basically scans and lets Hawaii know that, hey, they're safe, negative COVID test, all that stuff. So I'll have to do it when we get there. But what was really cool was just now, the lady from Southwest was like really apologetic and saying, hey, we're not going to be able to do it, but here's a $50 travel voucher.
Yeah, that was awesome.
So she gave us a $50 travel voucher. So
Awesome.
that was really cool.
Yeah. I'm happy something just died on it, right?
Wow. No, it's still recording. We just can't see it. It's just there because it connected to the phone. So anyway, so we got a travel voucher from them, $50. So we'll use that
For
when we fly again, probably when we go to Galveston.
Yeah.
So, very cool.
Yeah.
So now we're just waiting to get on the airplane. Even though you can only see half of
Aeroplane.
Kimberly's face.
Aeroplane.
So now we're gonna board here in about
30 minutes.
30 minutes. And then we're off. So, we got some exciting news here in Maui. We got here, and there must be a line of, how many people do you think are in this line?
500.
500 people to try to get through to clear because
So don't come if...
yeah, their system was down this morning, so nobody could get pre-cleared before.
Unless you can get cleared at the gate, don't get on the plane.
Yeah. So we think we're probably, well, I think if we're lucky, we're through this line in an hour and a half, maybe.
It's gonna be 2.
You know, Kimberly thinks it's 2 hours. Bob and Sarah said they were right at the Starbucks, which is way far ahead of us, and it took them 40 minutes. So we're here for the duration. I guess it's a good thing our flight got in a little early because that saved us a half
Or
hour.
not, but who knows?
Maybe if it would have got here later, it would have been less of a line. I don't know. So we're just gonna go through this big old line.
Current local time is now 12:30 p.m.
It seems to go on forever. Wow. So finally we're here at it's almost 5 o'clock. We stopped, grocery shop, brought the stuff up to the room. I just parked the car. Kimberly's unloading groceries in the unit, and I'm gonna head up and we're gonna chill, have some adult beverages, meet with Hani and Sarah and Bob and Eva, figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. Man, I'm tired. It's a long day. We got up at 5 this morning Pacific time, and right now it is 5 o'clock roughly Hawaii Standard Time. So we've been going for about 15 hours already. So I'm gonna take you up to the room now. All right, everybody say hello. Now we're gonna vlog.
Hello.
All right.
Hey, what's up?
Aloha. Aloha.
Aloha.
Sarah.
Aloha.
What do they do? You do this, right?
No, that's not me.
This, like
This
this.
one.
Hang loose.
Hang loose.
This one. This one. Aloha.
We have to-